going to do an unboxing. I just ordered a Fender Player Stratocaster, the shell pink, the limited edition with the tort pickguard on it. So yeah, here I go. All right, good sign so far. It's a box in a box, so good packing. Looks like an original Fender box, so good so far. Let's see here. Okay. Fender, fun stuff, got the tools, Allen wrench, got the whammy bar or wiggle stick, whatever you want to call it. That's fun. And I see a guitar in there. Whoa, really pulled that out. Okay. Got it on top. Here it is. Oh, it's upside down. Whoops. I guess I should have known that. The box is upside down. Wow. It seems really bright. Like, vibrant color. Is this more vibrant than I was thinking it was going to be? Oh no. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's see what this baby looks like. Hopefully we got a winner. Alright. Got the free online lessons. And then serial number. Oh, yeah. There we go. Inspected by, I don't know. But somebody inspected it. That's good. That's a good sign. Alright, put that in there. Probably put that in that bag. Alright, let's check this out. That is nice looking so far. Pretty guitar. Let's take a look. Okay. Looks looks nice. Let's see. Let's check the fret ends here. Not any real fret sprout. The fret ends could be smoothed a little bit, but you know, that's pretty normal. The body looks nice and fresh. Everything's fresh. Cool. A little bit of a, gap, more than normal here between the, the neck pocket here and the neck. A little bit of a gap there, more than my other guitars, but definitely like not a deal breaker. Some nice shiny frets. Got the 75th anniversary little logo on the back of the headstock. Looks like it's a 21. Like all these, I think all of these, they made them in 21. I could be wrong. Yeah, this is a nice looking guitar. Neck feels really nice. That satin finish is really smooth. It's interesting because I bought so many used guitars. It's interesting when you get a new guitar in your hands and feel like what they felt like before, you know, you actually like break them in for a couple years. But yeah, looks good. Well, I should probably plug it in. What do you think? Let's see what this thing sounds like. Well, let's see. Sing and tune. Switch feels good. I don't remember which switches they put in here, but it definitely feels a bit more high quality than the Squier classic vibes. Let's see. Yeah, close enough, but all right, I'll get it tuned up and we'll get it plugged in. It's like, yeah, quick tune, not great, but yeah, everything looks pretty good on this. Definitely cool looking though. I was like, shell pink, man. That's like takes you back into the days of I don't know, days of when the boomers were young, and you know, it's like a pink Cadillac or something. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing tuned up and I'll plug it in. Okay, tuned up and plugged in. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to that. Probably have to lubricate that a little bit, but like having that glossy fretboard, it's a bit different. And I like how it's satin here, but yeah, it's a little. Might need to wash my hands and then lubricate this up. But yeah, it's sticking just a little bit. But I'm sure once I get this thing broken in and get some of the, you know, the finger oils in there, it'll probably slide better. But you know, they're doing some bends. Set up pretty well. Let's see. Could use like a little. Maybe has a little bit too much relief, but that's probably fine. I don't know. Have to go through these frets, see if there are any high frets or anything. But the action's fine. All right, let's see how the bridge pickup sounds. Middle. Middle pickup. middle, and neck. And then neck. This is a great guitar. I'll probably do a bit of a setup on it, but I mean, as it is right now, it seems like it's pretty well intonated. I'll probably mess around with you know, the string height a little bit. I'll check out the pickup height. They look low, but I don't know what the output. I can't remember what the output or the rating is for these pickups, so you know, I'll have to figure out what height these things need. Maybe they're where they should be, I don't know. So I might have to mess with that a little bit, and I'll probably go through these frets and smooth out these fret ends a little bit, but really, like, I've played much worse, and this is, you know, nothing to complain about, really. They did a good job. And it it looks cool. It's a lot different. I'll make some more videos about, like, with my other guitars, it's a lot different looking than any of my other Strats. So yeah, but it's fun. But yeah, it's a nice guitar. If you guys have any questions, you know, put them in the comments, and I'll you know, answer them when I can, and catch you guys on the next one.